How to add a new shipping address to Shein. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Shein application first and get logged into your Shein account. Now, in order to change your shipping address, let's go ahead and purchase an item. Choose any dress, this is only for an example. Tap on Add to Cart. Select the color and the size, it does not matter. We are only trying to reach to the point where you can access your shipping address. Then tap on this cart option, then tap on Checkout. Now under here, you will see your location or your shipping address. Tap onto it. By default, you already might have a shipping address. If you'd like to change it, you can tap on Edit. In case you would like to add a new shipping address overall, tap on Add a shipping address at the below page. And here you can choose your location, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and if you would like to make this address and set it to your default, you can toggle on this button that says Make Default. Once you do so, tap on to Save, and that address will be your default address for the next time while you purchase an item. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.